60% of adults in the United States say they have a mental health condition, and less than half are seeking treatment. Black adults are more likely than white adults to report persistent symptoms of emotional distress. And the numbers are dire for black men, who in 2018 were 4 times more likely to die by suicide than black women.
Sports commentator and best-selling author Stephen A. Smith, who's now part of a national campaign called Love Your Mind. Stephen A. is best known for his strong sports takes, but in recent months, he has been vocal about his own mental health struggles, and he joins us now, along with Dr. William Smith, the Chief Executive Administrator of the Huntsman Mental Health Institute, which spearheaded the Love Your Mind initiative, along with the Ad Council.
My temper tantrums, just my anger, my frustration, it was getting a hold of me in a way that I knew was incredibly alarming. I just realized that for the first time in my life, I didn't have the control that I was accustomed to having.
What is this effort trying to accomplish to change those numbers?
Well, we understand the gravity of this, that black men, brown men don't seek help for various reasons. Oftentimes it's around stigma. And so what we want to do is to target this campaign out the gate, actually, for black and brown men to let them know it's okay. Stephen A.'s story is not a unique story. We all struggle with our mental health. It's across the spectrum. And if we can convince people that mental health and troubling times is normal, to grieve even, that you might be able to reach out to a friend, reach out to your pastor, as Stephen A. has done, reach out to mental health care providers. But the most important thing is to take care of yourself, to understand that you deserve to be loved. And that's what the Love Your Mind campaign is about. It's a love letter from your mind to your body to prioritize yourself.
Good to see you in Philadelphia.
Yeah.
I want to talk to you, Dr. Smith, about you were on the news. Tell me about that. Tell me about your role. Who are you? Introduce the audience to who you are. Anything you want to share?
Well, you know, it's real interesting. One of my mentors was Dr. Chester Pierce, a Harvard psychiatrist. He had an appointment, a joint appointment in the School of Medicine and also in the School of Education at Harvard. And he's the first one that told me that you belong in the School of Medicine and it's going to happen. And I'm laughing inside, not in front of his face, like, yeah, okay. But my arrangement is 70% of my time is in the School of Medicine, in the Department of Psychiatry, and also in the Huntsman Mental Health Institute, where I'm the Chief Executive Administrator. So I sit right with the CEO of the Institute. And what I do is to try to help with local and national projects, and also with the administration of the Institute and hospital. And one of those national projects is our Love Your Mind campaign. It's Love, Your Mind. And that's what I was on MSNBC promoting with Stephen A. Smith, who's partnered with us because Stephen A. has had difficulties just grieving, being human. When your mother died, when you're of cancer and your brother dies in a car accident, that could take a toll on us. So he understood the importance of getting this message out around mental health. What we're trying to do is to normalize mental health needs, that we all struggle, that we all go through depressive episodes, that we all have to just deal with this incredibly hard thing called life, right? And sometimes that gets hard. So this Love Your Mind campaign is a love letter from your mind to your body, to you, to say prioritize yourself first, and then you can show up for other people. You got to prioritize you. If you prioritize Nicholas could then become a better husband to his wife and a better father to his children. But you can't do that if you're trying to carry the weight of the world on your shoulders and never take time for yourself.
I debate all day. It's what I do. But there are some things that are undebatable, like your mental health, my own mental health. I was in a dark place when my brother passed away in a car accident. I've never been more devastated than the day I lost my mom. I was depressed, miserable, in ways I never imagined. I reached out, and my sisters came, my pastor, my therapist. They helped me get through it. I found that the more I spoke up, the healthier my mind became. The chaos that was in me began to subside. I was more focused, clear. When you love your mind, you can go so much further. That's not up for debate. Find mental health resources at loveyourmindtoday.org.